To improve restaurant compliance with FDA standards and prevent foodborne illness outbreaks, Needham Public Health has introduced a reward-based grading program. This initiative aims to recognize restaurants that consistently meet the requirements for food safety. Municipal producer Yu Xiaowen has the details.
Under this program, restaurants will undergo routine unannounced inspections every 3 months. Those that consistently meet the established food safety standards will have the opportunity to earn a certificate of excellence issued by Needham Public Health. They can display this certificate on their front window to demonstrate their commitment to food safety.
If an establishment earns the certificate, then it's good for 3 months until the next inspection, and then they have to qualify for the minimum score to then renew their certificate again.
The certificate will be based on the results of an internal grading system.
Essentially, NPHD decided on a point reduction scale starting from 100 to 0 with a 752 grading method. And this is based on the level of risk associated with each violation type. And specifically, a priority violation would result in a 7-point deduction. A priority foundation violation would result in a 5-point deduction, and a core violation would result in a 2-point deduction. So for example, an establishment can earn the certificate of excellence if they receive a score of 90 points or higher after a given inspection. Per FDA standards, priority violations are items that most directly eliminate or reduce a hazard associated with foodborne illness, such as improper food temperature or poor hand washing, while a priority foundation violation is an item that can keep priority violations in compliance, for example, lack of thermometers or temperature strips. And lastly, core violations are items that are related to general sanitation and facility maintenance, for example, dirty floors and walls.
According to Needham Public Health, the goal of this system is to encourage restaurants to achieve excellent standards rather than excessively punish them for not meeting a certain grade.
Needham wanted to avoid discouraging the businesses and establishments with unnecessarily harsh grading criteria. The purpose of this is to avoid disadvantaging smaller businesses who may have limited staffing and resources that could lead to increased chances of violations during an inspection. If an establishment doesn't have a certificate, that doesn't necessarily mean that they're doing very poorly. It just means there's a certain level of expectation to reach that excellency. The purpose behind creating this is to promote this reward-based system so that other establishments can see what certain establishments have done to succeed in this aspect, and then they can also be more motivated to reach that level of excellency.
To ensure a smooth transition to the new grading system, Needham Public Health has proposed a rollout plan that includes training sessions for restaurant staff and gathering feedback from the community.
NPHD wants to start community outreach by the end of this year in 2023. So we want to educate stakeholders about policies and procedures during our October in-person restaurant owner/manager mandatory food safety forum trainings. Following that, starting on November 1st of 2023, once the program is officially enacted, NPHD will continue to collect data and begin policy-effective discipline and grading. Next, the year 2024 will consist of unannounced routine inspections, where the grading will be live and feedback will continue to be conducted on how we can further improve on the program. So these routine food establishment inspection reports will eventually be available on NPHD's website starting in May. And lastly, data collection and evaluation will be assessed through May 1st, 2024 until the program is finalized. And inspection reports and grades will be available to the public on Needham's official website.
For Needham Channel News, I'm Yu Xiaoyuan.